Hi, I'm Chad Smith and I'm a state certified journeyman wireman. That's an electrician. And I'm here today with expertvillage.com. Now, you'll see in here these wires. Don't let these scare you. There's no power on there. Those are dead. Don't worry about those. We'll talk more about those later when we go to hang the new ceiling fan. Now, you'll notice in here that this is mounted on a hook and bolts. There's two different types of units. There's the type that's like this that has the hook that this hangs on. And then there's the other type, like we're hanging later, that has the ball and the bracket. But this is really easy to do. You just take your pliers we had talked about earlier and just loosen these up. Now this one was already loose because it's been hanging here forever. But just loosen these up. And don't worry a lot about this falling down because there's a hook on this side. And that's one of the main reasons that's there, to keep it from falling on your head. So you just take these out. This is very easy to do. I'm so proud of you. You've stuck with me through this whole thing. See, that just falls right down. That's one of the easiest things that you could ever do. So just let that hang there while you pull the wires out. This one just pulled right out. And you should have a black and a white. Just undo these wire nuts. And then also the ground. And this just unhooks. That's how easy it is to remove this old ceiling fan. Okay, now that we've set the old ceiling fan aside, we're ready to do the final step on the removal of the old ceiling fan, removing the bracket. Now these old brackets are normally held by just two screws. So just take your screwdriver and just run these screws out. There's only two of them. And once you get those screws loose and out, this bracket will just fall right off the ceiling. So just keep going on them. They eventually will come out of the box. You'll see this bracket just comes right off the ceiling. One of the easiest things you can do in the removal of the old ceiling fan. So on to the next part, the exciting part. We're actually going to install the new ceiling fan. I'm Chad Smith and we're installing a ceiling fan in this house today.